Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to use numbers and how to write multiple stuff using a command. So let's get started. So let me teach you how to multiply stuff. So say you want to maybe print 90 times 2 maybe. Still, you write it like that. If you put parentheses, double quotes like I always do, if you do that, it'll just print 90 times 2. It won't print the answer. So you do that and it says 180. Now, how do you do division? So how to do division? How do 90 slash 2? And I'll not put double quotes because it will just print the thing. That's 45.0 because we divided it and it'll give us a decimal number or float. So how do we add? So maybe we'll do 90. We'll just do print and 90 plus 2, and there it's 92. Now I'll do the subtraction. Now you know what to do. Print 90 minus 2. And now the answer is 88. So now let me teach you if you want to multiply a string, what happens. Say I want to write a string multiple times. So we'll just type something we'll just do x equals repeat, maybe. Wait, so let's just do double quotes and type repeat. Okay. Now we'll type y equals x times 3. Now I'll type print y. Now watch what happens. Okay. So we can also do it with adding. So y equals x plus 9. Now I'll do okay, so I'll just start with y equals x plus 1. Okay, so this has an error, so we'll just leave it. So what I would do now is type for the math. I'll show you the order of operations. So print with 90 times 2, wait, plus 2 times, okay, so I made a mistake. Plus 2 times 2, like this. Now it does order of operations. So it won't do 90 times 2 first, then 92 then times 2. It'll come 184. No, that's wrong. So we always do multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. So the answer would turn out 94, which is correct. Now let me show you something else. Print 90. Now I'll do the percent 6. Now watch what happens. 0. Do you know what this percent was? So this percent was like um the remainder. It like gives you the remainder of something. It's called a modulus in like Python. So what this does is like, let me just do another one. Print 76 percent modulus 9. And now what this does is that basically it'll just type out the remainder 4. So 9 times 8 is 72, the closest, and the remainder will be 4. See? Now let me show you something. So if you want to like do this, so x equals 5, and like if you want to like say this, look, so if you want to like do an if statement, I already said this, but like just in case. So if x equals 5, so you don't do that. So watch what happens when I click enter. See, it makes an error. See, this even says, did you mean this instead of that? So yeah, if you want to like write the correct one, so you will have to do if x double equals 5. Okay, so it's an error because we didn't write anything, but the correct way to write it is this, not this. Okay, so now let me show you something else. Now I'll type z equals y times 3 again. Print z. See, if you can use variables to like put infinite variables, so it just keeps going. I can keep going forever if I wanted to, but for the sake of this lesson, let's just not do that. And now I'll teach you one more thing. So like that's to print and maybe if you want to like do this. So you might not want to do this yet, but if you're like good at math, so like if you want to do like powers, like if you know what powers are, they're like 2 to the power of 3. Like print 2 to the power of 3. So what this is like 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So this is the starting number, 2, and this means to the power of, or multiplied by this many times. So if we write 3, we'll have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2. So that will give us 8. Now watch what happens. See? So if you want to like do that, you can like do that. So that's how you also do powers. I guess that's it for this lesson, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's math lesson, and I'll see you next time.